Hello my dear friends, how are you? Myself is Professor Dr. Deshpande and we are in the serial Ayurveda for all. Let's the Ayurveda knowledge spread like a viral infection, but it's a positive infection of the knowledge. So it should reach at the nook and corner of the world. Today is a Friday, 22nd of March 2019, and today's my topic is how to balance the Pitta bioenergy. This particular topic is of course based on Samanya Vishesha Siddhanta, Ayurvedic very important principle of similarity and the dissimilarity, or the homologous substance and heterologous substance. If you add any two elements having similar properties, similar action, the event will be more. If you add two substances having opposite quality, the effect will be nullified or reduced. For example, milk and sugar both are samanya, similar in properties. But sugar and the chili are of the opposite nature. So they will reduce the sweetness. Do you understand? So what is happening with this samanya vishesh siddhanta to our pitta dosha or the pitta bioenergy? We have the three bioenergies, vata, pitta and kapha, which are called as a dosha in Ayurveda. In physiological conditions, they maintain our health. But in pathological conditions, they make us diseased person or the ill person. Pitta dosha, I have already discussed the properties. Pittam sasneha tikshna ushna vistra. Pittam sasneha tikshna ushnam lagu vistra saradrava. Lagu vistra saradrava. Now, let us see one after another. Pittam sasneha. Okay, for digestion, for metabolism, for transformation, for cooking the food, we require little bit oil or little bit ghee when we cook the vegetables. Do you understand? But if we pour a lot of oil, or rather, I can give you the example of road food available. That means we eat outside, not in the house. At the roadside, there are a lot of, we can say, the selling units, they are available, but they are not at all the time hygienic. They take the oil in the vessel, put it some substances like if you prepare the typical Maharashtrian interesting food stuff, that is vada pav. Vada pav is a specific preparation prepared in the oil. But that oil is always reused and heated, reused and heated, reused and heated. So repeatedly heated oil is not sasneha. A little unctuousness is not there. Rather, it becomes vidahi according to Ayurveda. Vidahi is an irritant. That means whenever we eat roadside food, unhygienic food, repeatedly fried food or extra deeply fried food, that is not sasneha, that means little unctuousness. It is irritant. And that can definitely cause gastritis, inflammation of the stomach, enteritis, inflammation of the small intestine, colitis, inflammation of the large intestine. So ITRS suggests you the inflammation and havoc or the pitta vriddhi in Ayurveda. Disease is always started with the vriddhi, either vata vriddhi, pitta vriddhi or the kapha vriddhi. Now, tikshna and ushna. Tikshna and ushna, for example, all our spices, kitchen spices, use of kitchen spices, asafoetida, cumin, a little bit, okay, no problem. But if you have the habit of eating too spicy food every day, day and night, what will happen? Ushna, hot, and tikshna, penetrating. These qualities of pitta will increase. And in spite of normal digestion, it can be excessive secretion of the enzymes, excessive secretion of the hydrochloric acid. And that patient, that person definitely becomes the patient. Person will become the patient if he eats lot of tikshna and ushna, hot and penetrating substances. All the time spicy food, chili food, it is not good for our health. It can cause gastritis and peptic ulcer. H. pylori infection. Ask the history whether you have the habit of eating all the time spicy. Otherwise, he may be smoking Smoking is also tikshna and ushna. You will say, so what is the relation of that particular gastritis over there? No. All your body heat regulation disturbs. According to Ayurveda, that also causes the pitta vriddhi, smoking. Alcohol. Alcohol is a direct penetrating, has a direct effect on your liver. It damages the liver. And when the liver damaged, everything is damaged. Remember my words. When liver is damaged, everything is damaged. Not only pitta, there will be problem with rakta. There will be problem of vata dosha. Forgetting about that, tikshna and ushna, these properties should be balanced by your food and lifestyle. Why lifestyle? Not about food. Your mental thinking. If I am proudly saying, by egoistically, look, I am hot-tempered person. Look, I am hot-tempered person. It is very easy to say like that. But that particular hot temper will increase pitta vriddhi because hot temper or anger is ushna, tikshna quality. Remember, then laghu is also the quality of pitta dosha. If you consume with very less food, all the time doing the fasting, religious fasting, social fasting, that excessive fasting, dieting can cause the problem with the pitta dosha. Because laghu will be too much increased, and that lightness can cause damage to the body tissues or the mucous linings, and that becomes irritated. They want the food, they want the fuel, and you are not giving the fuel. What will happen? They will be irritated, they will be inflamed, they will be dried, and then there will be lot of problems of digestion, not only in the abdomen but metabolism throughout the body. So laghu also should be balanced. That means you eat only 2 times, lunch and dinner. That is okay. But if you are doing continuously religious fasting, you are purposefully taking the less food and it is not according to your biotype. Especially this problem will be more for the pitta biotype person or vata, pitta prakriti person. Remember my words. Pittam sasneya tikshnoshnam laghu vistra sara and drava. Now the interesting part about drava. If I have the habit by some literature reading or by some teaching from the modern faculty and you are all the time drinking lot of water. You are not taking solid food, but you are more relying on the liquid food stuff. Whole the day, either buttermilk or the lassi, coconut water, this water, cold beverages, but you are not taking wheat, rice, dal, pulses. If you are not taking solid food, that is also not good. Because only dravata, only liquidity, excessive liquidity in the stomach, in the intestine definitely will make the indigestion. And that also creates the gastritis. You will be surprised. Doctor, you are telling me fire and the water is opposite. But I am talking about not optimal quality. It's excessively water. Excessively consuming the water. That is bad. That can cause sama pitta formation. Ama will be formed sama pitta. Remember. So my dear friends, remember, excessive dravata is also not good for the pitta balance. We are talking today how the pitta is imbalanced based on the samanya vishesh siddhanta, that is the principle of homologous and heterologous substances. Pitta vriddhi is possible when you have the excessive of oily fried food, very spicy food, very long time fasting, excessive drinking of water. All these will make the pitta disturbed and your digestion, primary digestion or the tissue digestion will fail. So be careful about how to balance pitta vriddhi. Don't eat too much spicy, don't do excessive fasting, don't drink alcohol, don't smoke, and don't go late at night to the sleeping, because going late at night will also increase the laghu property or lightness in the body, which is not good for pitta. So my dear friends, gradually and slowly you are understanding the properties of vata, pitta, kapha and their practical utility for maintenance of our health and prevention from the disease. If you take care, then you will not suffer from any pitta problem like gastritis, hyperacidity, burning eyes, burning hands and burning feet, then burning of the body, hot flushes at the menopausal period. So females, ladies, sisters, please remember this advice, how to balance your pitta. That is all for today. Thank you very much for your patience hearing. I wish you all the best. Good, take care of yourself, and please subscribe my YouTube channel and give your energetic feedback to me so that I will prepare more and more this type of small videos to share the interesting knowledge of Ayurveda. Thank you very much.